Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, I try to make these topics relevant to what's going on in the news sometimes, and therefore I'm choosing, because the legal topics I can talk about are in the thousands. But today I want to talk about plane crashes in a general manner as it relates to law, so you understand the legal issues that are going to come out of this plane crash in Louisville, where 12 people and counting are killed. First and foremost, it is considered when a plane crashes, it's automatic liability. Planes do not crash unless something goes wrong. So other than a weather-related circumstance, but then you have the issue of whether or not the plane should have been flying in such weather, whether they took the appropriate action. So whenever a plane crashes, there's liability. So in this particular circumstance, with this plane crashing, you have the following entities that are going to be liable in this case. There will be massive settlements. First off, UPS. UPS is operating that plane. Regardless of what happened, they're going to have insurance, exposure, and some liability. The manufacturer of the plane. The engine apparently caught fire and fell off. Liability will be there. You're going to have the maintenance issue of the plane. Then you have manufactured parts of that engine or plane. A different company that may be manufactured. The airport, maybe, depending on whether or not they did. Remember, universal duty to everybody. We all have universal duty to everybody. So when we do anything that's negligent in that duty, we can be held accountable. The pilots have a workers' comp wrongful death claim, as well as a personal injury claim relative to the manufacturer who died. The people on the ground can sue all those people. I guarantee you some lawyers in the country and or in Louisville have already signed those folks up. By the way, if you are down there and haven't signed up yet, contact me. I'm happy to hook you up. So it's a tragedy. I make that joke just about lawyers signing people up, not because of the death. The deaths are sad, very sad. The incident's very sad. Then you're going to have nuisance created from maybe toxic chemicals, the oil explosion, the smoke, and all that. So there's going to be liability there as well. It is very extended. But the bottom line is there's going to be massive litigation as a result of that plane crash.